What's going on, everybody? Thanks for joining me here today. My name is Mario and this is the Mego Prints YouTube channel. So today we're going to go ahead and learn how to sublimate a shirt. More specifically, this one right here. So if you're interested in a step-by-step tutorial on how to do that, go ahead and stay tuned. So what is sublimation? By definition, sublimation is the transition of a substance directly from the solid to the gas state without passing through the liquid state. In our case, it's going from paper to the t-shirt. The way we do this is we go ahead and print using a special kind of ink, sublimation ink. I personally use Ink X Pro. So once this is placed on top of the shirt and the proper amount of heat and pressure is applied to it, the ink is going to turn into a gas and then immediately transfer onto the t-shirt and bond to the threads of the shirt. So what we'll be left with is a super smooth finish, no layers or anything. Sublimation is done on polyester. There are a few other materials that you can use to sublimate on, but when it comes to t-shirts, shorts, underwear, socks, anything of that nature, it has to be polyester. You can also use different blends. You can use a 50-50 blend, but if you're using 50% cotton, 50% of the ink that gets transferred onto the shirt will wash out. Sublimation does not work on cotton. Always remember, if you sublimate on a 100% cotton shirt, all of the ink will wash out once washed. It's a fairly simple process. We're gonna go ahead and load up our design on Photoshop. Once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and send it to print. Then we're gonna get the t-shirt, fire up the heat press it, and that's it. All right, let's go ahead and start off by pulling up our design on Photoshop and checking the size. So we're going to go ahead and be printing on 11x17 with a resolution of 300 pixels per inch. Hit Control P, make sure the correct printer profile is selected. In my case, it is the .icm. Let's go ahead and check the settings really fast. Make sure the document size is correct. Tabloid 11x17, paper type, premium presentation, paper matte, standard quality. And let's click on more options. Make sure the color management is set to color controls. Color mode is Adobe RGB. Always make sure turn high speed off. If you leave it on, a lot of times you can get lines across your image. And let's print. Let's go ahead and fire up the heat press, and we're going to set it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, so we have our image printed. Now what we want to do is go ahead and tear the sides. What this will do is, once it's pressed, or once you're pressing, doing this helps avoid hard lines on your shirt. So if you press it just like this, let's say with this edge the way it is, it'll leave a nice, well not nice at all, a straight line down this whole thing on the shirt. So ripping off the sides will give you less of that hard edge. We have 100% polyester shirts. Okay, let's put these on the heat press. We're finally at 400 degrees. I love this press. It is the 16x20 Signature Series Auto Open with a slide out drawer. Only thing that gets me about it sometimes is that it takes a while to heat up, but it's a pretty big size. It's 16x20 inches. So for smaller jobs or for small sublimation jobs, what I end up doing is I just use the little swing away press right there. When it comes to sublimating shirts, I highly recommend using a lint roller on your shirt, even if you don't see anything. Because once it's pressed, once you press the shirt itself, if there's any lint on this whatsoever, it'll turn blue and it'll show up as a blue speck on your shirt that will not come off. pre-press to dry out the moisture. (400°) for 45 to 50 seconds. So the Signature Series Auto Open actually has a red button on the side, which is a auto release or an emergency release. When everyone's sleeping, like right now my wife is taking a nap with the baby, all I do to make less noise is I hold down the heat press, press that button when I'm done, keep holding it, and gently lift. No popping, no nothing. Perfect. So as you can tell, the ink has bonded to the shirt itself, to the material of the shirt. There are no layers, and it is a completely smooth finish. It has literally become part of the shirt. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you found this video informative and helpful, please go ahead and smash that like button and also hit that subscribe button. If you have any comments or suggestions for the next video, go ahead and drop a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.